Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugin. In this video, we'll see how you can embed Google Maps in your Contact Form 7 using our CF7 Google Maps plugin, and there are lots of features. For example, visitors can drag and drop marker in map. User can directly draw area in the map and get location in CF7 email and view it on map. Access KML file of locations in email. And Google Map have auto-suggestion enabled. More about this later on. For now, let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel. Now you can install plugin by going to Plugin, then click on Plugin List and install it. But first, we have to do two important things. First, we have to install Contact Form 7. To do that, go to Plugins, then click on Add New Plugin. Now you have to search for Contact Form. Now, as you can see, this is the plugin. I've already installed it. Next, we have to go to Contact. Just click on it. Here you have to create a contact form. I've already created one. You can create it. It's very easy. You just have to click on the option you like and just hit Insert Tag, and you are good to go. Now we have to create the contact page. But first, just copy this short code. Now just click on Pages, click on Add New. Then paste the code here and give the appropriate title, and click on Publish. Now let's just go back and hover the mouse to Plugin and click on Plugin List. Now let's install the CF7 Google Maps plugin. And make sure you install this plugin because there is another plugin with similar name. Next, you have to download it and install it. But as you can see, I've already installed it. After installing, there will be option for CF7 plugin for Google Maps. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, these are all the setting. We'll go through each one by one. First, we have CF7 setting for Google Maps. And first one is map type. Here you can select the map type. There is lots of option. There is road, satellite, hybrid, and at last terrain. Next, we have Google Map API key. Here you have to paste your API key. Then we have center by current location. If you enable this, then map will be centered based on visitor's current location. Then we have snazzy map style. Here you can add snazzy map style. You can click here to see the style. As you can see, these are all the style. You can simply copy them and paste it. Next up, we have zoom control. If you enable this, visitors won't be able to control zoom. Then here you can select the position of zoom control. Then same as before, we have turn off full screen control. If you enable this, visitors won't be able to control full screen control. Then we have turn off map type control. This is same as before, but for the map type control, next up we have marker setting. You should enable this if you want visitor to add marker to the map. Then you can upload the marker. By default, it is set as this image. Then you can set the maximum number of marker that visitor can add. I'll set it as 2. Then we have circle setting. You should enable this if you want to allow users to add circles on the map. Then you can decide maximum number of circle that user can draw. Then you can change the fill color, then border color, then you can change the border thickness and circle opacity. Then we have polygon setting. It is to have exactly the same setting and everything as before, so you can make changes as per you liking. And same goes for polyline setting and rectangle setting. Now at last, just save the changes. Now at last, we have to embed Google Maps in our form. For that, just click on Contact. Now click on Edit. Now wherever you want to embed Google Maps, first click there, so your cursor will be there. Now click on Google Maps. Now click on Insert Tag. Now, one more important thing, just go to Mail, and here you have to add this placeholder. Make sure you add this or you won't be receiving any map data. Now just hit Save, and you are good to go. Now let's see how does it look. As you can see, this is the form. We have name, email, subject, then map. On top left, you'll see Maps Control, and on top right, you'll see Marker and Drawing. You can use Zoom option, you can use Marker to mark location. We can draw all the shapes that we have enabled in Settings and Customization. Now, after filling up everything, visitor can submit the form. By just click on Submit, and admin will receive the email. As you can see, this is the email. Although this is forwarded email, it contains everything from name and time to longitude and latitude, and also the area marked and drawn by visitor. And at very last, it contains KML file, which you can download in one click. So that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching.